Let's jailbreak our Fire TV stick. It's super easy, guys. You'll be dumbfounded as to why you didn't do this a long time ago. First thing, we need to download an app called Downloader. Go over to the search feature, type in Downloader. I already have it installed. All you need to do is get it, download it, install it. It's ready to go. It's this little orange icon. Click on it once it's open. Prior to opening it, go all the way across to the little cogwheel in the settings. Go under My Fire TV. If you do not have this line, developer options, click into About. Click the select button 7 times and then you will become a developer. I'm already one, so I don't need to. Click into developer options. Turn on ADB debugging. And then under install unknown apps, find Downloader, turn it on, and away we go. Once we're in Downloader, we can go to a great site. It's mine, ledbytheunknown.com. You can type that right in here if you want to, or you can use this, excuse me, quick little shortcut. 5, 4, 6, 8, 3, 5. Select go. There's a 5-second delay here. During this time, if you click on the little hamburger button, it'll give you the option to select as a favorite. Add current page to favorites. Once we're on there, and then it'll ask, are you sure? Yes, save it, done. I already have it in here, so it doesn't want to do an identical one. Now guys, here's the Led by the Unknown web page. Just click the little hamburger button up there. Slide on down to downloads. Once you're in downloads page, you can come on down and you can find great apps. This app, Zumo TV, 100% legit from any app store. You could probably even find it in your Amazon app store. But here today, we're going to side load it. Just like all those other apps that are there to side load. Prior to side loading, you're going to want a VPN. IPVanish is the VPN I would suggest. Take out your phone right now. You have this up on your TV, so might as well do it. Take a shot of this QR code and download IPVanish onto your Fire Stick. Use the QR code, get 63% off, and you can turn it on and away you go. Now once we're under Zumo, you can click under the Android app or the Amazon device. It'll automatically download it for your Amazon Fire TV stick. Quick little application here to download, and away we go. And it's going to ask in the bottom right corner to install. And once it's installed, don't hit open yet, just click done. We no longer need the APK file we downloaded, so let's save some space on our Fire Stick. And we can hit delete. Yes, I want to delete it. And then we can hit the home button and look for this APK file. We can go all the way to the 4 squares plus sign and look for Zumo, and then we can hit the little hamburger button and we can move it to front, and then we can turn it on and play. Zumo play, and away you go, guys. Live TV, movies, TV shows, you name it, and it's ready to go. Peace.